Hello guys, this is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in today's video we will see which stocks to buy because of CrowdStrike outage, and should you invest in CrowdStrike at this time at this discounted rate that is available. This outage has affected millions of people around the world. This has affected airlines, IT industry and banks. So a lot of companies were affected because of CrowdStrike outage. This is a big hit to CrowdStrike's reputation. It will probably make investors nervous and hurt their business for the next few months. After making a name for itself in endpoint security, CrowdStrike has been expanding into other areas like cloud security, identity protection, and analytics. What will be the effect of outage on CrowdStrike? CrowdStrike is going to have a lot of bad effects because of this outage. Number one is reputational damage. Customers may lose trust in the company's reliability, affecting future sales and customers' retention. Number two is revenue loss. Downtime can lead to immediate financial losses if services are unavailable for a significant period of time. Number three is customer churn. Frustrated customers might switch to competitors, resulting in a loss of market share. Number four is increased costs. Fixing the issues, compensating affected customers, and investing in better infrastructure can be expensive, and it's going to cost a lot of money for CrowdStrike. Number five is negative publicity. Media coverage of outages can damage the company's public image, making it harder to attract new customers and investors, which is going to be bad for CrowdStrike. Number six is internal morale. Employee morale might be negatively affected, especially if they have to deal with the fallout from unhappy customers and increased workload. Number seven is competitor advantage. Competitors might seize this opportunity to attract the CrowdStrike customers by offering more reliable services or special deals to them, and this is what competitors like Palo Alto is doing. Companies that will be benefited from this outage are Palo Alto Networks, SentinelOne, and Microsoft. Palo Alto is also expanding its platform and even giving some features for free to their competitors' customers. So to the CrowdStrike customers, they are giving a lot of things for free so they can acquire those customers. They are doing this to grab a bigger piece of the IT budget over time. But competitors might not have a long time to take advantage of CrowdStrike's problems. Another problem that CrowdStrike has to deal with is the bad actors which have disguised malware as a CrowdStrike fix. Though CrowdStrike had published a workaround for the outage, the danger remains that panicking workers or panicking customers may first encounter malware disguised as a fix, and that will cause more problems. These bad actors falsely claimed the software was an update to the CrowdStrike issue, which instead would hijack users' computer or wipe their data. So that is an additional problem CrowdStrike has to deal with is these malware fixes that are coming as. With things starting to calm down, people are wondering who is going to cover the financial hit from the global outage. It is tough to figure out the exact cost of the CrowdStrike outage right now, especially since systems are still getting back to normal. But experts think it could end up costing billions of dollars for CrowdStrike. Whether CrowdStrike's clients can get compensation will depend on their specific contracts and if terms were broken. Even though this outage is a big deal, and I think CrowdStrike's huge customer base and strong position as a top security tool mean it will eventually blow over. I've seen other big tech companies bounce back from similar issues. It just might take some time for them to fix everything and recover. Now, should you buy CrowdStrike stocks at this time? I highly recommend you to make an entry into this stock at this time because this stock is available at a very cheap discount. And not only CrowdStrike, a lot of other security companies like Palo Alto, Microsoft, SentinelOne, these are also good options for you to buy, because these companies are going to take advantage of CrowdStrike's reputation at this moment, and they might get into these customers that CrowdStrike have and might be able to acquire those customers. So watch out for companies like Palo Alto, Okta, SentinelOne, and Microsoft. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like such kind of videos, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video from the channel. I'm going to come again with another stock video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. Take care.